So let's talk about bamboo underwear. I've been using this over the last couple of years on my travels. I have some tips and things you should know before you buy it. If this is your first time watching my channel, I'm Tor. I love to make these travel related videos, so subscribe if you want to see more of this. So let's talk about the underwear. Now, one of the biggest advantages of bamboo underwear is that it's quite odor resistant. You could probably wear this for 2 days without much problems. You could probably stretch it even longer than that, but yeah, don't be the smelly guy, so don't wear it for too long. But yeah, it's quite odor resistant. I really like that about this fabric. One of the other big advantages of the bamboo fabric is that it's quite soft to the touch. The closest thing I would compare this to is I would say cotton, probably. A lot of the properties of this underwear is very similar to cotton. It's soft, it's light, it breathes well. But compared to cotton, the bamboo underwear tends to stretch out a little bit as you wear it through the day. Especially if you're going to wear it for 2 days, if you're out traveling and you don't have any choice, then it can stretch out a little bit. It won't look as pretty as some other types of underwear that we talked about in some of the other videos. However, I think overall it's a quite good pair of underwear. It's reasonably cheap compared to some of the more synthetic underwear, and yeah, you know the story about merino wool. So, as for washing it, it dries quite quickly, especially if you use that method I showed you in that other video before. Yeah. Overall though, yeah, I recommend it. I do think that there are some things to be aware of, especially if you're going to compare it to some of the other types of underwear that are out there. So head over to the next video where I compare this underwear to merino wool, cotton and synthetic fabrics. Thanks for watching this video, subscribe for more, see you in the next video.